Welcome back to my channel, Smoking and Grilling and Cooking with me, AB. Today I'm bringing another one of my favorites, and this is a true classic. This is homemade cornbread. Take a look at this. Man, I know that looks good. So, since I started rating how difficult some of these cooks can be, and I'm always saying things are easy, we're gonna go from 0 to 10, 10 being the most difficult. I give this right here a 2 or a 3. Just say 2.5, because you do have to do some type of measurements. But it's very, very easy. Once you get your ingredients together, you throw them all in a bowl, you mix them up, you preheat your oven, you throw it in your pan, whether you're using a baking pan or a skillet. I try to use my skillet for everything. So with that being said, let's get it in.